Yeah,
Thank you.
because you were in the beginning of the trade and it changes colors, you get out. If you were, if it was way up and it changes colors, you don't worry so much because you're still so much in profit. But if you are in the beginning of the trade, which this is, yes, you immediately would get out because it changed color. Yep. Let me show you this. Does everybody watch my screen? You see this? We don't have an entry on this one until one of these candles. And it's really questionable on this candle because they're not bigger than the previous candles. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
These candles are all the same size, so we don't enter on them, do we? That's a sign of weakness, right?
Right on. Right on.
Yes.
Until it goes bigger, bingo, and then we're in the trade somewhere in here, rock and roll. You just made more money than you ever had, and all you had to do was look down here.